He and his son are here tonight with trucks. This is a 73 KW with Caterpillar power. Now he kicks back in with all that weight behind him. And fire department will have to jump in there. We've got something on fire. And they'll check. All right. All right. Fire department will have to get on that down there. Here they come. Something caught fire underneath the hood of the big machine. Driver is out and safe, ladies and gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, the driver is fine. There's no problem there. They're telling us now that the fire actually was some rubber pieces around the edge of the hood. The gaskets around the edge of the hood, it was so hot under the motor that these gaskets actually caught fire around the edge of the hood. And that ended up catching a mud flap on fire as well. Now, you talk about heat and power all in one spot. This is it. Well, that is the geriatrics and Jerry Hairhoger. No doubt he will not be coming back to the track again for a pull-off. But what a powerful run he put down right there. Let's give him a big round of applause.